Ever wonder how cruise lines make their massive ships even bigger? I'm the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where my newsletter is free. It is called jumboization, and it's like plastic surgery for ships. And here's how it works. First, they slice a ship clean in half. The cutting is done with precision lasers and torches. Then massive hydraulic jacks separate the halves so the new pre-built middle section can slide in. Then skilled welders join everything back together, making sure it's watertight and structurally sound. It sounds crazy, right? But it's actually a genius way for cruise lines to boost capacity and profits without building a whole new ship. The process takes about 2 months and costs around $80 million. That might seem steep, but it's a bargain compared to the $2 billion price tag for a brand new mega ship. So next time you're on the cruise, take a closer look. You might just be sailing on a ship that had a jumbo-sized makeover. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. If you're not getting my newsletter, press the red button and get it for free.